अस्सलाम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ न्यू ऐसे शेयर करूँगी, वो है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट भी इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। अक्सर एग्ज़ाम्स में ये टॉपिक आ जाता है और अगर आपको अच्छे नंबर हासिल करने तो आपने ये वीडियो पूरी देखनी है। और वीडियो अगर आपकी आसानी होगी तो आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है, अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करना है ताकि उनका भी फ़ायदा हो। चलें अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं। अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट is a major social and economic problem of our country. Unemployment is when people who want to work cannot find a job. It is very alarming and threatens the prosperity, peace and stability of free country. It is not only affected educated people, but there are millions of laborers, workers and unskilled workers who are unemployed. Overpopulation is the serious cause of unemployment. As the population continues to grow, the opportunities of employment are shrinking. The resources of our country are not enough to fulfill the requirement of population. Because continuously increase in population, the unemployment rate is also increasing. Lack of education is another cause of unemployment. Due to poverty, they do not have money to pay highly education fees. Our education system is so defective, it is very difficult for them to provide equal education to all citizens. Most of the people remain unemployed even after completing their education. We neglect technical education is also a big reason of unemployment. As a result, people face difficulties in getting skilled jobs. Our agriculture system is very backward. Incentive cultivation without modern techniques cannot provide fruitful employment. Industrial development is very important for country's economy. Due to lack of industries, jobs are not being created. The use of machinery on large scale in production is very important cause it reduces the opportunities for human laborers. Unemployment also makes people depressed. Unemployed people have no money to meet their basic needs. They often suffer from hopelessness and depression, which also increases the tendency of crime. To solve this serious issue, the government should provide new job opportunities, focusing on industrial development, improve education systems so that citizens can be skilled, investing in big projects like building roads, factories, and create new employment opportunities. स्टूडेंट्स, देखा आपने, ये हमने अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का टॉपिक कवर कर लिया है। यकीनन आपके लिए आसानी होगी और आपको ये बहुत आसानी से समझ आ भी गया होगा। अगर आपको ये समझ आया तो आपने इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है, अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करना है ताकि वो भी इससे फ़ायदा उठा सकें। और भी वीडियोस आती रहेंगी। तो बेस्ट ऑफ लक स्टूडेंट्स।